Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily create a US bank account without leaving your country. So for example, you are into freelancing, you are into dropshipping, or you are into several kinds of online business. You having a US bank account gives you the ability to easily connect with your client and receive payment irrespective of your location. If you are into freelancing, you can just copy your US bank account, send it to your client, and they are going to wire the payment directly to your US bank account, which in turn you can now withdraw to your local bank account and withdraw to your local currency. So if this is something you like to do, I want you to stick around and watch this video to the end. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do now is to create an account with the platform we're going to be using. So for the sake of this video, we're going to be using Wise and Payoneer. So using Wise and Payoneer gives you the ability to create a US bank account that you can use to receive money internationally. And the best part is you are not going to be limited to US bank account. So you having a US bank account with this platform gives you the ability to have an account in other currencies. So you can have a Canadian dollar bank account, you can have an Australian dollar bank account, and several currency bank account inside one platform. Alright, so for the sake of the video, we're going to be creating an account with Payoneer as well as Wise. Alright, so what you want to do now is to go to the description of the video. I'm going to add a link to them at the description of the video. So just go there, click the link there, and once you click the link, you're going to see something like this. So what you want to do is come over here, then click on register. So when you click on register, it's going to prompt you to enter your email address. So what you want to do here is simply enter your email address here. So I have an account with them already. I'm just going to show you how you can get started using this platform. So what you want to do after you enter your email address is to come over here, then click on next. So after that, it's going to prompt you to choose the type of account you want to create. So as you can see, we have personal account and we have business account. So for the sake of the video, we're going to be going with personal account because you creating a personal account is going to give you US bank account in your personal name. So you creating a business account means the business account is going to be in the name of your business. And for you to have this, you have to incorporate your business in the US. That is, you have to create an LLC in the US before you can have a business account. So you going with personal account means you can easily set up your account, then gain access to your US bank account and send to whoever wants to send you payments. So I'm going to click on personal here. And when you click on personal here, it's going to prompt you to select the country you are most of the time. Now, the fact is I already have an account with them already, so I'm not going to walk you through the entire step because I don't want to create a double account. So just choose your state, and once you choose your state, just follow the prompts and you'll be able to create your account. So once you've created your account, the next thing they're going to ask you to do is to fund your account. So you can either fund your account with credit card or debit card. So immediately you fund your account, you'll be prompted to verify your account with your national ID card. So immediately you've done that, your account is going to be activated and verified. So when you log into your account, you'll be able to see your US bank account details. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to log into my own account, then show you how you can gain access to your US bank account when you've activated your account. So I'm going to come over here, then I'm going to click on login. So after that, I'm going to click on login so we can proceed. So as you can see, I'll just log into my Wise account, and for you to gain access to your US bank account, what you want to do is come over to this USD currency here, then click on it. So when you click on it, you're going to see these details here. So under the US balance, you're going to see an icon with your account number. So when you click on the account number, it's going to bring out your banking details. So as you can see, so this is my account holder name, this is my routing number, this is my account number, and this is the account type, which is checking. So this is the Wise address for the US bank account I have with Wise. So this is basically how you can get a US bank account with Wise. So the next option is for you to use Payoneer to create your US bank account. So just like I said with Wise, all you simply need to do with Payoneer is come over here, then click on register, create an account with them, and once you've created an account with them, the next thing you want to do is to log into your Payoneer account. So once you've logged into your Payoneer account, you'll be able to gain access to your US bank account. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to quickly log into my account and show you how you can gain access to your USD bank account inside your Payoneer account. All right, so I've logged into my Payoneer account, and as you can see, this is my USD balance. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll to the right hand side here, then scroll down. So these are the accounts I currently have with Payoneer. So what I'm going to do is to gain access to my USD bank account is to click on view info. So once you click on view info here, it's going to bring out your banking details. So as you can see, so the bank name is Community Federal Savings Bank. The bank address is there, the routing number is there, and my account number is there. Then the account type is there, which is checking, and the beneficiary name is there as well. So what you want to do is copy your bank account number, then send it to whoever that wants to send you money. And once they send the payment is going to reflect in your Payoneer account here. So in turn, you can now connect your local bank account to Payoneer and withdraw this money from your Payoneer to your local bank account. So this is basically how you can easily create a US bank account without leaving your country. So you can either use Payoneer, or you can either use Payoneer or use Wise to create your US bank account. So I'm going to add a link to both of the platform at the description of the video. All right, so this is basically how you can go about it. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.